It's the Great American Florida Gun Show this weekend in Okeechobee at the downtown venue behind Morgan's Furniture. Buy, sell, trade, bring your guns, tell your friends. Saturday from 9 till 5 and Sunday from 10 till 3. Tons of guns, knives, ammo, hunting, and shooting supplies. Admission is only $10. Kids 12 and under free with paid adult. Concealed carry classes Saturday and Sunday at 10 and 1 for only $49. The Great American Florida Gun Show this Saturday and Sunday at the downtown venue, 120 Southwest 7th Avenue.